Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you very nice accessory for your phone. It can be your iPhone or Android devices. This one is wireless fast charging mount for car or home and office. I started using it, I really enjoyed it, so I thought I should share with you. Let's open and see what's inside. This is the wireless charger, USB car charger adapter, that's a wall adapter. Another mount, stick it on your windshield. You press the button, open up like this. Put your iPhone right there. So I'm going to show it to you. I will put the plug adapter. I'll plug into the wall. So once we plug into the wall adapter, USB, plug into the holder, and as you see the green light appear. Now the iPhone, we're going to put it in, and it started charging, and you can use it at home, office, and this is really good, and this is very fast charger. This is the iPhone, and I can show you, this is the Android, my Samsung Galaxy S8. So once we're going to put it on, and it will start charging. So this charger works in the car same way. You plug into your cigarette lighter, mount the charger on the dashboard or on a windshield. So this is the fast and wireless charger, and this is one thing is good about it, that in case if you have bad port where your USB is not plug in right, then this is a perfect solution for you. So this is really fast charging. I really like it. So if you like this product, I'll list the part number under my description, and please check it out. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.